So today I'm making red rice and tuna. I got tuna here. Tuna, this type of tuna, and I have a healthy type. Let's see, I've never elite wild tuna. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry the tuna over here, and the rice I'll just use this cooking pot. So this is simple lunch for me. So I have two sets of 2 cans of tuna. Depending on how they were preserved, the color is different. This one is was preserved in oil, so it kind of looks it has that yellowish color, and this was purely put in I think water. Let me see what. Yeah, so it was, the preservatives are different. So this one looks pink and it's wild caught. So both of these tuna, I'm gonna just fry them over here. So all the tunas, I've just mixed them all, and this one I just fry them on this green onion. Just, you can have it like that because it's already pre-cooked, but just to add more flavor, I will add some cayenne pepper, a bit of Himalayan salt. Yeah, so at the moment I'll just stir it in. Sardine. And by the way, I started using this stainless steel pan because of the health reasons. It's much healthier than using the non-stick pans. So if you wanna eat healthy and not worry about the coatings of the pan and the pots getting into your food, consider buying the stainless steel type of cooking pots. Pans, don't worry about what is being advertised down there. Just make sure you are healthy. Yeah, eat something or eat food that is less toxic. So I'm just breaking down this tuna into bits, and I just want to make sure that it's like grounded meat or minced meat. So just press them into bits while stirring it, and make sure that it doesn't stick on the bottom of the pan. So while the tuna is cooking, I'm just preparing the red rice. The red rice is here, and I just boiled the water. It's boiling now. So what I'm gonna, I just added some turmeric and a bit of olive oil. Just easy cooking. So what I'm gonna put in is the red rice. Just easy. Just like that. I'm just doing it traditional way. This is about a cup of red rice. I'm just told that the red rice is rich in iron. I don't know, is it because of the color? I'm not sure about it. I've not done any research, but I just love the red rice. It's a bit tasty, better than the white rice. I love the color as well. If you look at the product here, it says it's gluten-free. What are the benefits here? It has all that. Doesn't matter, as long as it's gluten-free. It has a star healthy rating of 4 out of 5. That's good enough. So yeah, and after a while I'll add my coconut milk, my favorite one. I just bought it from the supermarket. Yeah, coconut milk. Now the rice will be very yummy. So back to the tuna. I just sprinkled a bit of cayenne pepper and added a touch of oil. I'm thinking of maybe making a soup out of it. Yeah, it's just thinking about it, or just having it like that. It doesn't matter. So I added the milk, the coconut milk in here. So I'm just waiting for it to, yeah, just, you know, look at it. That's nice. I'm waiting for it to cook. So my tuna here is all done. I just added some coconut as well, coconut milk. Yeah, and that's it. There's nothing else. Just simple as that.